So for the next one, oh, a nice fruity one. Never had this before. Rodenbach FruitAge. So I've got my glass. Yeah, it's got cherries on the label there, in case you were in any doubt. And getting some smoke, yeah, a wee bit. And let's see what the pour's like. Oh my goodness, that is cherry red. It's gorgeous. Well, look at that for a colour, eh? That's cherry. That is the epitome, the pure definition of cherry red. Oh my god. Tunes. But without the medicinal properties. Remember the tunes? Make you breathe more easily. Oh yeah, I'm getting the cherry. But beautiful. Cheers, my dears. Well, first thing you get is that fruity sweet. Just explodes in your mouth. Now, I've had fruit beers before and I've not been that impressed. I could switch to that and just drink nothing else. That is gorgeous. It's really, and it's only what, 3.9. So I mean, you could give that to your kids. Don't do that at home, folks. So let's go on to the colour. It's not going to be easy to judge this on the because there isn't maybe between a 15 and a 20. You're going to say, what do you think? And the clarity, yeah, it's clear. It's brilliantly clear. The colour, clear. The colour of foam, it's none. Poor. The foam texture's thin. The carbonation, yeah, I'm getting slight. I don't know if that's picking that up. I'm getting slow. The aroma of alcohol, I'm not smelling any alcohol there. The hops, I have no idea. What does it say in the tasting notes for that? Let me see. Of course, once you read it, you then taste that. Rather than doing a blind tasting without any description, it tells you what to think, sort of a thing. A delicious, refreshing fruit ale with a moderate alcohol content, made from young ale, the two-year-old cask-matured ale, and 9% red fruits here. This balanced fruit ale is fruity and sweet and sour. The ideal introduction before moving on to discover the more mature Rodenbach ales. I think the Rodenbach do Grand Crus, or Grand Cru. So, the hops. Well, I'm getting fruit, but I don't know if that's the hops or no. Cherry, but that is, I don't think it's the hops that's making it a cherry. It's the cherries that give it a cherry smell. The malt. I'm getting a bit of the I don't know, the caramel, biscuity caramel. Esters, well, cherry, the cherry just overpowers everything. But it's balanced actually. It's not just all cherry. It's not just the phenol vanilla. The alcohol is not detectable in the taste. The hop flavour is just, I'm going to put fruity, but that's the fruit, not the hops. The hop bitterness is restrained. The malt flavour, yeah, I'm getting it like pruny, caramel. The malt sweetness, now I don't know if it's the malt or the fruit that's, I'm going to say high, because it is quite sweet. Yeah, oh, that's gorgeous. Astringency low. The body is quite soft. Palate carbonation low. The length, it's long. Oxidative aged qualities, it's fresh. Although, saying that, I wonder if I'm getting a bit honey and sherry. But no, that's not a bad thing. Balance and drinkability, desirable. The style, it's a fruit beer, so I'm going to say it's appropriate. That is very nice indeed. What does it say here? From Untappd. Rodenbach FruitAge is a blend, they've got FruitAge, is a blend of aged ale, young ale and 9% red fruit, which gives it its sweet sourness and fruity notes. Pure refreshment. Yeah. Spot on. Oh my goodness, that cherry tunes. So that could be my first 9.5. Because that is exceptional. That is really, really good. The Stouterik is a very good stout. Thinky old bottled Guinness, no the cask conditioned in the no cask conditioned. Edit this bit out, Donald. The tin with the widget, the old style bottle, but it's got all the quite strong tastes, the treacle and things like that. That's not. This is more subtle. This has got more balanced flavours, I would say. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a lot of coffee there. I'm actually going to write in my notes that the coffee is outstanding or standing out. It is outstanding. Yeah, I think the coffee, more than the treacle, you're still getting that sugary caramel, treacly, mixed in with the coffee. It's a beautiful smell. And you're getting that on the palate as well. And that is just so smooth. I'm going to put smooth as a characteristic. It's just, I'll give that an 8.5. Because that's very, very good. So it's not a competition, but for this being pure refreshing and exceptional, I'm going to go with the Rodenbach FruitAge. Two very contrasting styles, so you can't judge. It's not a competition. But that, for just being pure, outstanding. Kudos to the brewers. Kudos to all the brewers. So anyway, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, lovely.